सूरत एलपी सवाणी ग्रुप ऑफ स्कूल से सीबीएसई ધોરણ 12 બોર્ડ પરીક્ષામાં ઉત્તમ અને ગૌરવપૂર્ણ પરિણામ પ્રાપ્ત કર્યું છે। શાળાએ ભવ્ય પરિણામ સાથે પોતાની શૈક્ષણિક શ્રેષ્ઠતાની પરંપરા યથાવત રાખી છે। આ વર્ષે જાહેર થયેલા પરિણામમાં 73 વિદ્યાર્થીઓએ A1 ગ્રેડ પ્રાપ્ત કરીને શાળાનું ગૌરવ વધાર્યું છે, જ્યારે 191 વિદ્યાર્થીઓએ A2 ગ્રેડ મેળવી નોંધપાત્ર સફળતા મેળવી છે। ખાસ નોંધનીય બાબત એ છે કે 20 વિદ્યાર્થીઓએ વિવિધ વિષયોમાં 100 માંથી 100 ગુણ મેળવી ઉત્તમ પ્રદર્શન કર્યું છે, જે શાળાની ગુણવત્તાસભર શિક્ષણ પ્રણાલીની સાક્ષી આપે છે। શાળા સંચાલક મંડળના ચેરમેન માવજીભાઈ સવાણી, વાઇસ ચેરમેન ડોક્ટર ધર્મેન્દ્ર સવાણી અને ડિરેક્ટર પૂર્વીબેન સવાણી દ્વારા તમામ વિદ્યાર્થીઓને હાર્દિક અભિનંદન પાઠવવામાં આવ્યા છે। સાથે જ શિક્ષણ મંડળની અથાગ મહેનત તથા વાલીઓના સતત સહકારને પણ બિરદાવવામાં આવ્યો છે। શાળા પરિવાર તમામ વિદ્યાર્થીઓને ઉજ્જવળ ભવિષ્ય માટે હાર્દિક શુભેચ્છાઓ પાઠવી હતી।
Hardik Khador. I study in class 12. Today I got my result. I got 98% overall. I scored 100 on 100 in business studies, 99 in economics and applied mathematics, 98 in accountancy and 94 in English. I study in LP Savani Academy. I got this much marks because of my parents, teachers and school. I wouldn't be able to score this much without the help of these three. So I am grateful to all of them. Thank you to all of them.
कैसी तैयारी करवाते हैं स्कूल की तरफ से?
The preparation from the school is very good. I didn't have much to study at home. Everything was covered in school.
कितना पढ़ते थे पूरा दिन?
I just studied for 2 to 3 hours a day, but I studied that with full concentration. So I learned the concepts very well.
और अभी जो बच्चे आएंगे उनको क्या मैसेज देना चाहेंगे आप कि कैसी पढ़ाई करनी चाहिए?
I would like to say that just study for 2 to 3 hours max a day, but whatever you study with full concentration and you can score easily.
और आपका स्कूल में कितना रैंक आया?
I got first place in my school.
Good morning everyone, myself Jia Agarwal. I was studying in LP Savani Academy. I was previously a cultural captain and in 11th I was vice cultural captain. I have scored 96% in board examination, precisely 95.6, and I am very grateful to all my teachers, my schools, my parents who have supported me, who have molded me. I have scored 100 on 100 in accounts and entrepreneurship. I was very skeptical about taking entrepreneurship because there was no one to guide me, but I especially thanks Prachi ma'am who have guided me, Suchitra ma'am who have guided me, all my teachers who have been with me, who have scolded me at all my mistakes, at all my steps, they were with me. Thank you so much to school.
स्कूल में कैसी तैयारी करवाते थे, इससे आपको कितना फायदा रहा?
स्कूल में हमें टेस्ट लेते थे और टेस्ट में गलत आते थे, मार्क्स गंदे आते थे, तो हमें ऐसा नहीं बोलते थे कि आपने अच्छा किया, हमें डांट पड़ती थी। और अब पता चल रहा है क्यों पड़ती थी, सब बराबर रीजन से पड़ती थी और सब वेकअप कॉल बहुत वर्थ इट था। आज हम जब आए स्कूल में केक कट किया तब सब बहुत अच्छा लगा। थैंक यू।
नमस्ते सूरत, मैं डॉक्टर मोटूश्री शर्मा, प्रिंसिपल एलपी सवानी एकेडमी वेसू। We are very happy today. We got the result of CBSE class 12 and very delighted and excited to share with you all that the commerce student, he has topped and he got 98%, and the science he has got 96.8%. And I think after 2-3 years we have seen something very much which is creating a goosebumps in us. That is 8 students of our school, they have scored 100 on 100 in the subjects BST, then entrepreneurship, and then your accountancy, and one student of ours from biology, she has scored 100 marks.
कैसी पढ़ाई पूरा साल करवाते हैं कि अच्छा रिजल्ट आ सकता है?
बहुत लगन के साथ सबने पढ़ाया है और शायद बच्चे ज़्यादा अच्छा बोल पाएंगे कि उन्होंने कैसी पढ़ाई की है, बट हमारी तरफ से ये कोशिश रही है कि हम उनको कंटेंट में पूरी तरह से उनको प्रैक्टिस कराए हैं, उनका लर्निंग और अंडरस्टैंडिंग कैपेसिटी बढ़ाए, ताकि वो जिस तरह से क्वेश्चन पेपर्स चेंज हो रहे हैं, पैटर्न चेंज हो रहे हैं, वो उसमें वो खड़े उतरे। वी ट्राइड आवर बेस्ट।
जो बोर्ड में स्टूडेंट आ रहे हैं उसको आप क्या कहना चाहेंगे, कैसे पढ़ना चाहिए?
एक ही मूल मंत्र है दैट वॉट एवर यू आर स्टडिंग, जितना देर आप टाइम दे रहे हो, जितना आप टाइम उसमें इन्वेस्ट कर रहे हो, उसको बहुत कॉन्क्रीटली आप उसको यूज करो, सो दैट जब आप अंडरस्टैंडिंग एक बार कंप्लीट हो जाए, सो यू कैन गो फॉर द लर्निंग पार्ट एंड द प्रैक्टिस पार्ट। तो जब भी आप कोई टॉपिक लोगे या जब भी आप कोई टॉपिक पढ़ोगे, तो इतना कॉन्फिडेंटली उसका प्रिपरेशन करो कि नेक्स्ट टाइम सिर्फ आपको रिविजन की ज़रूरत पड़े, ना कि लर्निंग की ज़रूरत पड़े।
I am Angel Kothari and I've studied from LP Savani Academy. I've scored 100 on 100 marks in both business studies and entrepreneurship. I've scored 98 in accountancy and 97 in economics. And I must say that the faculty over here has really helped me from the beginning. They would help me clear my doubts even from online when we wouldn't come to school during our pre-boards, after our pre-boards actually. But the faculty over here has really helped us, and that is the reason why I am here right now. And I'm really grateful for all the teachers in my life. Even our principal ma'am, she has really motivated us so that we can reach over here, and I'm really grateful for this school. Thank you.
My name is Nitika Abra and I study from LP Savani Academy. I scored 96% in 12th boards CBSE. Honestly, the school helped me a lot in many ways. The teachers were extremely supportive. My concepts got very much clear due to them, and also in other ways also, like during the exams, they helped a lot during the stress management part also. So it was quite helpful for me.
कैसे तैयारी करती थी पूरे साल?
मैं schedule stuff. हाँ तो आई यूज टू कम टू द स्कूल एंड यहाँ पे ऑब्वियसली वो लोग सिखाते थे द कॉन्सेप्ट्स एंड स्टफ. फिर घर जाके आई यूज टू रिवाइज इट अगैन एंड अगैन, एंड ताकि प्रैक्टिस हो. फिर क्वेश्चन प्रैक्टिस करनी पड़ती है बोर्ड्स के लिए, स्पेशली इंग्लिश भी, इन सारे सब्जेक्ट्स पे भी इक्वली अमाउंट में ध्यान देना पड़ता है. तो उसके लिए क्वेश्चंस प्रैक्टिस करती थी, एंड मेजरली दैट ओनली.